Okay, guys, so since we trimmed our work area, what we're going to do is we're going to want to extend it. So if we go and click on composition, then composition settings, you'll see that this composition is only 2 24/100ths of a second long. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually just change this to 8, just to be on the safe side. So then what you'll see happens is now I have this really long, like it's hard to see everything. So to make sure that you can see all of your stuff, you're just gonna use this little slider right down here. Okay, so what I wanna do, when I bumped out my text layers, you'll notice here that it just took that whole thing and it kept the same length. So what I wanna do is I wanna trim the end of those. So the last place, let me put my command scrub. ʻinoa. Okay, so right here. Now I'm going to select all these layers. And I'm just going to say command close bracket. No, I'm going to say option close bracket. And then what happens is they're all trimmed to the same area. So you'll
inoa.
see that they'll go away at the same time because you don't want them to play and drop off. All right. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is we're going to start working on the English part of this. So we're going to go up to our lovely movie of me, but your audio, and you're just going to duplicate that. So Command D. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that audio down here. So let's see if I can do this correctly, because I didn't practice this first. Okay, now if you remember, you click on the layer and you press LL to open your sound waves. So now you'll see the sound waves down here. Okay, so let's see what this says.
Aloha o ʻele koʻu inoa.
All right, I don't need that part because I already have it, so I'm going to trim it. So I'm going to press Option, close bracket. Nope, I lied. Command Z. I'm going to actually press Option, open bracket. That's going to get rid of the front part of my audio, and then I'm just going to click and drag this. Let's see if it lets me. Let me close it now. Let's see if I can take my select tool and move this over here now.
Hi, my name is Ellen.
All right, so there I am at the bottom. I'm at the bottom layer, so now when I start putting my text over, it should cover it up. But actually, remember, we're going to close it by closing our eye, and then we're going to press LL to open that. And now, since I'm going to start adding layers, I'm actually going to drag this just like how you did in Photoshop. If it lets me. Oh, it's not letting me, guys. Oh, you know why I'm doing it in the wrong place. You have to be over here to do that. So I'm going to take this. I don't want it to be orange. And I'm just going to simply drag it up to the top. Okay, so let me take this. I'm going to drag it up so it's going to be on the very top. And then what that's going to allow me to do is it's going to allow me to see my sound waves when I add my text.